Okay, Anna, do you want to come back in for us, please, darling? Just back on that same grey marker. Brilliant. Body that way again, you know the thing, that's it. Keep it, 1 second. Let me just focus on the face. Okay, let's just do a quick test. I've switched that fashion light back on again, but I'm interested more on the kind of more dramatic images. So we can see already, though, that the kind of the combination of the colours now, this kind of colour palette, it's worked in both, in fact. If I just go backwards for 1 second, and we kind of look at the angel in white and the angel in red, the colour palettes still work really, really well together, in fact, really, so we can get away with it both, yeah? But realistically, we're interested in now in these two images. This is all the lights back on, so this is the fashion light again. Remember, if I was photographing for a lingerie company at this stage, I need more information in that pant, and if I didn't have this fill light in, it's really not going to do its job. The same thing would be actually here and actually into the detail running on the side. The main thing is the detail in the lower part of the body, so below the belly, actually is really what that fill light is doing. And if you think about the strip box of where it's positioned, it's lighting exactly what we want it to do, isn't it? So if we had a reflector in there, like a white reflector, there's no guarantee it's going to give me consistency of light every single time as Anna moves around a little bit. Whereas we know this soft box in its position is guaranteed to give us the result. Right, Anna, what should we do? Let's just do a few images in all lights on first, because eventually I'm going to move over to this red background. So let's just do a few anyway. It's gorgeous. I think we shot some really nice images before. Lower the chin a little bit more, Anna. That's lovely. Looking off towards the side for me as you did. Just the eyes at me now as you are. Bring this hand down a little bit down the bra strap a little bit more for me. That's lovely. It's there, darling. Little expression, just a touch. That's good. Looking down towards the side again. Relax. Let's go to just the group one. So this is just now, remember, the key light, the deep dish, and the actual separation light in that corner because I put them onto the same group. Okay, Anna, let's just do a quick shot, darling. Eyes at me first. Relax. So remember, I always, when I change the light in, I just really want to make sure straight away I'm doing what I've got as planned with it and things. So you can see here, we've got a much more dark angel element going on, and this kind of light on the background is actually coming in from the key light. It's going over the top of Anna. We've got great bone structure. Her eyes are not sunken in, so I can get away with this high light. In other words, it's light quite high without any trouble at all with it and things really. And we've still got great tonality running across the whole body and things really. So I'm going to kind of keep to this for now, I think. The one thing we do have to arrange though is your wings. Can you twist them a little bit? I think that's it. Yeah, it looked like you were falling over. Okay, slightly going to turn the body again. That's it. Whoa, it's gorgeous. And again, lean back a little bit. That's lovely, darling. Can you just pull your hands to the side of the wings? That's lovely. And at me again, that's gorgeous. Keep it. Look up high to that light. It's lovely. Eyes to me now. Raise the chin up though more. That's lovely. Eyes back to that light again. Keep it. Nice. Let's just put the hands as if you're adjusting or tying just here. That's good, just there. Turn the nose again to me. That's lovely. Lower the chin a touch more. That's lovely. Remember, when we're lowering the gaze, lowering that chin, we bring more of a sensuality and a sexuality into that kind of little bit more sunken eye compared to the big eye. So if I'm up higher, she opens that eye up again, and that's alluring. But when you drop the chin as a rule, it's kind of a little bit of a seductory, no, that's the wrong word, seductive kind of element and things really. So yeah, really nice. Nice positioning all the way through there. Right. Let's change the background, shall we? Anna, if you want to step out there for a minute, I'm just going to move this red background. Brandon, do you want to grab the end for me? So we've put this on a separate background support. This was just to make it nice and easy for us. Anna, back on set, please, darling. Make it nice and easy for us in the transformation. If I was running this as a part of my shoot, as far as a kind of a boudoir kind of series of images for clients, you know I tend to actually work on the likes of a three-sided studio. So in other words, possibly the pink lips would have been either on this side or in the position that we just moved them to now, and then all I've got to do is move my light in a little bit. But obviously when you've got a technical setup as such, you usually either want another set of lights in another technical setup, or obviously you've got to take a little bit of time in the transforming. As it were though, we're basically just gone onto the red background. Let's just bring the hands out to the wings again for me, both sides. It's a quick test. Let's have a little look. And I think we're going to do a few shots before we actually start to make this smaller. I still think that this image though deserves more kind of texture in the background, in fact. Okay, let's do it. Anna, a little lean with the back for me again if you do it. And the eyes at me, that's beautiful, darling. Raise the chin more. That's gorgeous. Looking down towards the floor again. Okay, let's bring the hands down as if to the tie-in pose again. Turn the body that way a touch. That's lovely. Lower the chin more, darling. Turn the head this way more. Let's keep that there. Let me just shoot a few with the fill light on as well. Keep it. That's lovely. Lower the chin more, darling. Little expression. Go on, you've got it. Just use one of the hands to curl the hair. That's lovely. Lower the, that's gorgeous. Looking off again to the side, and again for me. Right, let's do the kind of the shots with the hands on the wings. I'm just going to go back to that group one again. Really arch the back. Can you turn the body that way more for me? Really arch. That's gorgeous there. It's a quick test of it. 1 second. Relax, please. Show me the. I love it. Okay. Let's do that. Real arch of the back again. Turn the nose this way a little bit more. I've got the side of the flat of the hand again. Can you turn it to the side for me? No, the side of the hand. Turn the hand around. Other way. There you go. That's it. That's it. It's beautiful. It's there. It's lovely. And again, lower this hand down the wing just a little bit more. That's beautiful. Turn the head. That's gorgeous. And arch. It's lovely. And again, raise the chin more. Looking down towards the floor, darling. It's gorgeous. And again, relax. Let's slightly turn your back to me. Keep going. There you go. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's lovely there. Keep it. Let's do a butt shot. Let's shoot with group 4 a minute. Quick test. So we've got the makings of a nice butt shot here. Yeah, it's a great butt shot anyway, or a great butt, I should say. But I think we need to make more of the actual image. So Anna, if you just turn the bottom, whoa, 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 not quite as much. There you go. Can you lean for me? Just want to see how far you can lean backwards. Well, not quite as much. Let me just, I'm going to put this one into group 4 as well, yeah? So I can fire both of these backlights together. So during this whole shoot, really, all I've changed as far as the lighting is concerned is acknowledging what lights are going to fire and what lights are not going to fire. So let's just see what that's going to do. Oh, I like to stay there, you. It's really nice if it works. Okay, which it will. Let's go to group 4. That should give us both the images. So you can see now we've created the lighting just onto Anna's face here. We've got a little bit of kind of the shaping on the bra. We've got good shape going through the butt with the direction. And we've got modeling as far as the belly and everything else is concerned. Let's use the right hand, I think, to the wings. That's it. And let's try this one as well, in fact. Try this hand to the wings as well. Okay, that's gorgeous there. Don't look at me, look down towards the floor more. Okay, turn away from me a touch more, but turn the top of the body away from me. That's lovely, it's there. Can you push this wing back? So almost there you go, that's lovely. Can you put the hand down lower? Especially this one, that's it. Again. Let's just drop this hand and bring it to the top of the stocking. No, this one, that's it, yeah. That's gorgeous. Looking down again for me. Push the right knee higher, the left knee higher if you can. That's it. Quick test. Okay, let's keep it. Again, look straight ahead, Anna. Can you look straight ahead for me? Profile, that's lovely, it's there. Lean your back more though if you can. Can you lean with your whole body backwards? That's lovely, it's there. Relax. Twist the whole body back to me again, a little bit more. Let's put the left knee forward once more. Okay, Anna, let's just finish off with a few more. We'll switch everything back on, except for this bottom light. Can you switch this off for me, please? Thanks, bud. Okay, that's lovely. Quick test. So this is without the actual fashion fill running now. Turn the head a little bit more down, that's lovely. Side of the hand if I can instead of the back of the hand, that's lovely. Little expression, it's lovely, nice. Looking down for me, it's gorgeous. Hand to the top of the garter line, this left hand I think. Twist it upwards, that's lovely. Eyes to me again, keep it. And just use the hands to the actual wings again for me, both hands. Keep it, it's lovely, a little lower, it's gorgeous. And you're done. An angel is born. I'm just gonna quickly stick on a grid onto the separation light here. And I'm gonna put this back onto group 1, so it's only gonna fire and only the key light is gonna fire. So let me just go to group Skyport groups 1. Okay, let's do that. And then I'm just going to change the quality of that light. So we're just going to add a little diffusion into this one light. So I mentioned in previous films about the Elinchrom lights having a brolly hole, and so it allows me to just feed in the kind of the nose cap within here to diffuse the light down that little bit more and things really. I'm definitely going to need to meter this just a touch. There we go, let's try that. Could you switch this one off for me? That one off, it's still on. Thanks. Okay, let's meter. So at this stage, we're looking to just meter for group 1. 5, 6, 7, down 2. So look, okay, it's a quick test. So this is all of the lights running for a minute, yeah? But that light in the background, let's go group 1 now. So this is just the deep dish with that white diffuser in. And we've still got that separation light kind of coming on, so it's a much more controlled light and things really. Okay, Anna, be a dark angel. That's lovely. Turn the head this way a little bit, that's lovely. Let's use the hands out towards the side, looking down towards here. Side of this hand if I can. This one, turn it to me. There you go, it's beautiful, it's there. Again, just the eyes at me now, please, darling. That's gorgeous. Looking down again, lower the chin a touch. Eyes to me again, darling. That's lovely. And relax. Very nice. Great, that's a wrap. Thanks, Anna. Come off stage for me. So some really nice shots there. Anna, what a great model. But as you can see on the screen here, just kind of finishing that off, we've got a slightly softer light source. We've still got a controlled kind of light, but we've brought the mood and the tone down. If we go right back to the beginning and we just show the kind of the first shots we did, there's a real comparison between the light and bright angel compared to our darker angel here and things, and I wonder what side you're on. Take care, see you on the next film. Bye-bye.